Experience the ultimate in aerial photography with the Bwine F7GIM Pro drone. Equipped with a 6K UHD camera and 3-axis brushless gimbal, this drone delivers stunning footage and photos. This drone delivers stunning footage and photos with unparalleled stability and clarity. The Bwine F7GIM Pro drone features a groundbreaking industrial aesthetic design with a 3D laser-etched texture and bold orange propeller accents. This drone is not only high performance, but also visually striking. With its 6K Ultra HD camera and 3-axis brushless gimbal, this drone captures ultra-clear photos and videos with 30 pictures per second. The gimbal increases dynamic stability accuracy by 60%, ensuring smooth operation in strong winds or high-speed scenes. Perfect for beginners, the Bwine F7GIM Pro drone features one-button takeoff, automatic return, and intelligent novice mode with height limit protection. TOF and GPS sensors boost low-altitude stability by 55%, making it easy to fly like a pro. Enjoy seamless 4K real-time video transmission up to 10,000 feet with the latest digital image transmission tech. With 70 minutes of flight time and in-flight battery monitoring, you can capture stunning footage without interruption. The Bwine F7GIM Pro drone features pro-level aerial intelligence with GPS smart modes, including auto-generate cinematic moves, follow me, orbit flight, and waypoint planning. Intelligent return to home reduces flyaways by 97%, and night mode 2.0 slashes noise by 70% in low light. With a full English manual, 5 pro guidance videos, and 24/7 bilingual support, you'll have peace of mind with the Bwine F7GIM Pro drone. Plus, enjoy a lifetime drone warranty and firmware upgrades with a free imported explosion-proof case included. Get your Bwine F7GIM Pro drone today and experience the ultimate in aerial photography. With its stunning 6K camera, advanced features, and worry-free service promise, this drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking footage and photos.